peoples. Hey man, I appreciate you guys. It'll be a short video today. Today's Friday. We got all of our stuff done for the week. I spent the first half of the day in the shop cleaning that up, reorganizing. Man, that shop was bad. Anyways, only thing I got to worry about is this right here. New faucet. The sprayer, the contractor split that apartment. The sprayer hose, there's no clip. The clip's gone. And how it survived as long as it did is beyond me, man. But there, you push it up in there, it's supposed to click, but it doesn't click. And apparently it sprayed out on the guy a couple times. But anyways, 5-minute fix. We'll go over and put a new faucet in. And then we'll go back to the shop and we'll go take out the light in the shop, because the wire is set up for motion sense, so when you walk in the light comes on, and I have LED lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the light fixture out, put an outlet there, and plug my new LEDs in. That way both of them come on when you walk in the door. Ooh, he come up on me quick. Damn, dude. Anyway, love you peoples. Man, we're up to I think I'm getting ready to crack 700 subscribers. And remember, got that tool giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So tell all your friends to subscribe. And if there's any kind of content that you like or dislike, let me know in the comments. Other than that, I'm gonna gavel and we'll see you in a minute. Come on. Stay at work. So you might notice that hot, cold. Not today. That is hot. This is cold. That's hot. You guys are goofy, man. Glad they fired those contractors. Wasn't that goofy? I'm just... water lines are reversed coming out of the wall. And on top of that, the reason why I had to replace the faucet was because the keeper ring, it's gone. Anyways, job security, bro. It's been about, I think it's been almost 2 years since I had to replace a kitchen faucet. But we got it done now. Let's go, Beans. Let's go jump out in front of traffic. Let's go to the shop, man. Let's go goof off. It's Friday. This is the shop. That's what I got to work with. Woo! I got her cleaned up a little bit. Got some of this crap out of here. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take this big light out because I have 2 of the LEDs, and I'm going to put an outlet there and plug them in because I have a motion sensor switch. So as soon as you walk in the door, it kicks the lights on. So we're going to get started on this, man. Good. Oh, shit. It's not opening up. Oh, shit. This is called a cut-in box. You put it up there, draw around it, and then you want to draw in the groove. So you don't cut that out, the little groove right here. You need this lip to catch drywall. So let's cut that out real quick. This is much better. Much better. So I still got to finish the ceiling off, and I still got to finish this floor. But at least I've got this cleared out, and that's for the tent. That's why I got heat out there. But anyways, this goes back in the car. This has got my tools in it. It's got all my mechanical tools, cutters, and this That's where my other stuff goes. But anyway, and then I put this in the car too because that's my catch-all. But these go in the shed. Anyways, I like having that back over there. It gives me more room. It makes it more open. But you gotta do what you gotta do, man. So these lights will go off. They're motion sensor, so they'll go off if I'm not in here. Cool. Appreciate you guys, man. We'll see you in a little bit. A good word.
Strength. And God gave me difficulties to make me strong.
Yeah.
I asked for wisdom. And God gave me problems to solve.
Yeah.
I asked for courage. And God gave me dangers to overcome.
Yeah.
I asked for love. And God gave me troubled people to help. My prayers were answered.